Welcome to Graceland Online Tutorial. Our topic today is change of subject of a formula. Change of subject of a formula. Let's look at this question. Make R the subject of the relation 1 over P is equal to B over T plus C over R. Now the solution. 1 over P is equal to B over T plus C over R. Our main target is to make R the subject of the formula. Now, in doing that, we will collect the items to separate R from the other letters. Now we have 1 over P. B over T will move to the left-hand side, and that will turn to minus B over T, which is equal to C over R. Now, the next thing to do, you multiply through by PRT, that is, the denominators of the fractions. Now, PRT multiply the dot you have here means times. So PRT times 1 over P minus PRT times B over T is equal to PRT times the C over R. Now the result. P cancels P. We are left with RT. Now multiply that RT by 1, which will give RT. Minus T cancels T. We are left with PR. Multiply PR by B, which is the numerator of that fraction. PR times B will give PBR equal to R cancels R. We are left with PT. Multiply PT by the numerator of that fraction. So PT multiplied by C will give PCT. Now the equation is RT minus PBR is equal to PCT. As you can see, from the left-hand side, R is common there. That is, R is common in RT minus PBR. Now let's take R as a common factor, so R will be outside. R in RT, that is, R cancels R, you are left with what? With T. Minus R in PBR, that is, PBR divided by R. R will cancel R. You are left with PB. Close the bracket, which is equal to PCT. To make this R the subject of the formula, you divide both sides by T minus PB. Now, R into T minus PB over T minus PB. T minus PB will cancel T minus PB, and you'll be left with R, which is equal to PCT over T minus PB. So the actual answer now is going to be R is equal to PCT over T minus PB. So quickly take the second question. You are asked to make V the subject of the formula in H is equal to M into V squared minus U squared over 2GS. Solution. Very simple. The first thing you have to clear the fraction. To clear the fraction, you cross multiply. You multiply h by the denominator of the second fraction, 2gx, and then the numerator of the second fraction by 1. This one is h over 1. So m into v squared minus u squared multiplied by that 1. Now, let's continue. H times 2gs will give 2gsh, which is equal to m into v squared minus u squared multiplied by 1 will give m into v squared minus u squared. The next thing, you divide both sides by m. Divide both sides by m. To divide both sides by m, this is going to be 2gsh over m, which is equal to, if you divide m into v squared minus u squared by m, the m will cancel the m, will cancel each other. Then you'll be left with v squared minus u squared. Don't forget, our major target is v. Now collect the like terms to separate v from the other letters and figures. Now this is going to be 2gsh over m. Then move minus u squared to the left hand side, and that will turn to plus u squared, which is equal to v squared. Now, the value on the left hand side is equal to the v squared on the right hand side. But our major target is v. Now, if this is for v squared, then how are we going to calculate v? You find the square root of the value on the left hand side, which is 2gsh over m plus u squared. Now, the square root of that, the square root of 2gsh over m plus u squared will be equal to v. Now, what is v? V will be equal to plus or minus the square root of 2gsh over m plus u squared. And that will give us the final answer, which is the value of what? Of v. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Graceland Tutorial. Like the video and share the video. Success is yours.